What do we really know about car theft? Car theft. It's something we hear about. But what do we really know? And the reality? It's not just happening in high crime areas. Right now. They aren't hot wiring engines, that's old news. Today they use wireless signal relays, jammers, key fob cloning. It's happening to everyday Canadians. It's fast, it's efficient, it's evolved. They don't need your keys, they don't even need to be inside your car until they drive it away. And once your car is gone, it's in a shipping container before you even realize it's missing. How simple is it? It's as simple as grabbing a purse from an open window. A signal jammer is all it takes. The door might as well be open. And once they decide to strike, it's already too late. It can't be that easy, right? But it is. They've turned security into an illusion. The reality, the door might as well have been open. Organized crime versus crimes of opportunity. What's the difference? They can drive off in under 20 seconds. Crimes of opportunity can be stopped with a steering wheel lock or a wireless immobilizer. But organized crime? They watch. They wait. They plan. And when they strike, it's already too late. So maybe just use a tracker. Maybe a tracker is enough. A wireless immobilizer, a phone app. Hackers know. They've evolved too. For them, this isn't even that hard. It's a game. They know the weak points, they exploit them. So how long does it take to steal a car? Gone. Just like that. Less than 20 seconds. Can the police help? Only if you catch them in the act. Once they're gone, so is your car. So who can we trust with our vehicles? What do we do when it's gone and we can't track it? The reality is, once it's gone, it's gone. And this isn't just personal loss, this costs all Canadians. So what can we do? How do we protect our vehicles, our families, each other? A real solution for Canada. We are bringing a real solution to Canada. A system that's easy to install, that works with any make, model, and vehicle, without interfering with factory systems. We know costs have skyrocketed worldwide, but security shouldn't come at a premium. We believe in a solution that does exactly what it needs to do, without breaking the bank. In Canada, over $1 billion were lost to car theft in 2022, and in 2023, and again in 2024. So is your car safe? Maybe it's not on the list. Maybe it is. Either way, you deserve peace of mind. Made in Canada. Built for the world. Omneo. Made in Canada. Built for the world.